Guys, what up? I'm on the train right now heading to a casting for a movie in Brooklyn. Whoop whoop. You guys saw me do my part in that other movie I shot that's going to be out this summer. It's called Cry Cry. And you know what? I must admit that when I was doing my part for the movie, I realized how much I miss acting. I did years of acting in class. I studied acting. I did acting for the theater, acting for the stage, acting for the camera, studied the theory, studied the history and all that. And I just realized how much I miss acting. So I'm really hoping I get to do a lot more acting this year and take on a little bit more roles besides my show, obviously. But yeah, I figured I'd take you guys along with me. Hello? Yeah, I've been off the train. I'm walking down the thing now, down the stairs. I'm gonna one drop. I am straight. I'm like right here by the light right now. Yeah. Well, the lights. I'm right here by Washington Place. Have you ever wondered why the hell the train stations smell like piss? Straight fucking piss. I'm pretty sure I walked in some piss coming down here. 100% positive. So I said I wanted to get some dumpling and curry goat, so we come right here. Let me see it, yeah. The plantain off is sweet. All right, yeah, that's good.
They said a goat, right?
Yeah, curry goat. Oh my God, the goat here look weird. Nice. Nice? Okay. Man, better than the food in Cuba for sure. I'm trying to do the healthier version because I'm kind of on a diet right now, so I figured curry goat and plantain will be healthier than rice, right? Not quite sure. Yes, it is, right? Yes. So this guy says it is, so it is. All protein. All protein. Tell him what you sent me for. Tell him all protein.
All protein is much better. Carbs and protein. I'm trying to get ready for the beach.
That's right. And that's exactly what I'm trying to get ready for. The beach. So curry goat and plantain it is. Alright, big and serious. The curry goat could I eat? Have I had better curry goat before? Yeah. But it could have eaten way better than the food in Cuba, I'll tell you that much. Look how much I have left. One plantain. Yeah man, you can't eat. The curry goat go on good. Big up yourself. Okay guys, so I just got to the casting right now and I'm looking over my script right here to go read the part of Queenie, and they're behind
Police!
me there.
Don't move! I'm making a little fucking fish net! Oh my God.
They're back there auditioning.
You don't have to cocaine that is more than people like you, huh?
Be right back.
Sorry. It's all good, brother. What number page? 23. You read? And I'm reading for Parsley. One on the
Funny.
just something real
I think I
stupid,
would probably
real
get
dumb.
a chance to be Punchinella, like
Wait a
to go
minute.
Punchinella.
Who put a pot on the
So excited.
Me never did that. Me
So
never did that.
excited.
No person. Me get.
Page 105 and 106.
What's the character?
Queenie.
Action. I don't have a speck of Jamaican blood in me. I was born and raised in Michigan.
What a blood clot you tell Mr. Pepper. What?
I can't hold back the truth no longer.
I don't fucking believe this. You're the most deceitful motherfucker I know. So, this means everything was a lie.
My feelings for you is real. I wouldn't be telling you all of this if I didn't care about you.
Hustle. You make me fall in love with you when you plan to lock up my fucking brother.
Why is not your brother? Okay. I didn't do that.
So, finished the casting. I think it went really well. Hoping I did a great job and I get to play this character named Queenie. And peep this, she's a ghetto girl named Queenie, so like patois in it. So I have to really brush up on my patois. Even though I have a patois don't lack, but you know, more time the yankiness come out. But if I could get to play this role, oh my god, I'd be like a real bad girl, like bad girl Chiney K. I'm so excited. So I'm really hoping that I get this role. So you already know to stay tuned to see what's gonna happen, yeah?